Mwa ife ndikhulupirira kuti tikudziwa kapena kuti namva kuti boma la Malawi linapanga chiganizo choletsa kuti mbewu zina ngati masamba, mbatata, matomato zisamachokerenso kunja kubwera m'dziko muno. Zimenezi zidapangitsa kuti mayiko ena ngati Tanzania akwiye nawonso ndi kulemekeza kuti ayi patakali pano tayimitsa kaye kuti mbewu zochokera dziko la Malawi zisabwerenso kuno ku Tanzania. Ndi anthu ambiri akhala kulankhulapo ndiye pano pa Nyasa Voice Box mwachizolowezi timakambapo nkhani za ndale kuyendetsa bwino kwa dziko komanso utsogoleri otsatira bwino malamulo kuno kwathu ku Malawi. Ndi mkulu wina pano wabwera kuti ayi chiletso choletsa mbewu zakunja kubwera kuno ku Malawi chimafunika kuti chakachitika mwina chaka chatha kapena zaka ziwiri za mbuyomo. Ndi akufotokoza kufunika kwa chiletso chimenechi kuti kodi ungapindulire bwanji dziko la Malawi. Tiyeni limodzi pano pa Nyasa Voice Box kuti timvere mkulu ameneyu mpaka amaliza musangochoka mutuze maganizo anu in the comment section below pompano pa Nyasa Voice Box.
Hi, thank you for asking. Yes, the reason why I say this, that we wanted this ban several years ago, the ban is there not to punish our neighbors or not to control them. No, the ban will just help create the market for the local farmers. At the moment, there is no free trade in our country. If you look at the way things are now, the economy is not good. We're importing a lot of produce from outside. While Malawi has all the resources that it needs. We have the land, we have the water, we have the manpower. What we maybe the support we may need from the government is the right inputs to use so that we get the potential yields. Not what we're getting at the moment. So why I was saying that I wanted this ban several years ago, just because with the ban, you end up creating a local demand. In the past, we were failing to supply our products to the supermarkets, but with the ban, it opened up the markets for the farmers. I'll give you an example. It's not only Malawi which has issued a ban. You go to Zambia, they issued a ban in 2017. That created opportunities for Zambians. They started producing. They were able to find markets for their produce. As a result, they grew really fast in terms of economy. Most farmers opened up huge farms that they were able to produce because they knew that the markets are readily available. Tanzania as well has been using Kulima Kwanza document, which they drafted in 2008. It came into effect in 2009, 2010, they were implementing it. 2011, they started issuing import bans of some produce. So they did that in 2011, 2012, 2014. No one retaliated. When Zambia was issuing the ban, no one retaliated. You can see if you go to Zambia now, they are far much advanced in terms of production than us. So since we are a small country, landlocked country, we cannot compete with our friends who have been issuing the bans because they help their farmers to grow. As a result, the production cost is per hectare is slightly lower in their country. That's why they are able to sell their produce here. But with this ban, if people receive it with a positive mindset, what is going to happen is that farmers will see the opportunity, they will have the reasons why they should grow. Because at the moment, if you grow, if the ban is removed, the moment you grow, you find out that other countries will export their produce. Since their production cost is low in their country, their selling price here is also going to be low. The farmers here cannot compete on the market with these other producers. So what is required is, since now we're harvesting our crops, let there be the import ban of these vegetables, different crops. We ban at the moment so that the farmers sell their produce. As well as selling, it means they are accumulating finances to go back into production. They'll produce more. The ban can be there for a year or 2 years. Once we stabilize our economy, then we can open up, because by then we'll have many farmers producing on large scale. Once they start producing on large scale, the production cost is going to go down using the economics of scale. So once we reach that level, we can open up, so that whenever the people are trying to import produce, the imported product should compete with the locally produced product. That's why I was saying we wanted this as soon as a few years ago, so that at least we would have built the economic capacity of our own producers. But people are trying to politicize all this. It's just something which is silly. They can't be doing that. They need to put matters of national interest first, unlike what they are doing. That is useless politics.